All right, class, today we're going to talk about why the conservation of natural resources is so important. As you know, natural resources are things we get from the earth that we need to live and thrive, like water, trees, oil, and minerals. Some of these resources, like trees and water, are renewable, meaning they can be replaced over time. But others, like oil and natural gas, are non-renewable, which means once we use them up, they're gone forever. Now, because we rely so much on these resources, it's important that we manage them carefully. This is what we call conservation. Conservation means using resources wisely so that we don't run out of them. Think of it like this. If you had a favorite snack but only a little bit left, you wouldn't eat it all at once. You'd save some for later. In the same way, we need to conserve natural resources so there's enough for everyone now and in the future. One of the big reasons conservation is so important is that it helps protect the environment. For example, when we cut down too many trees, it can lead to problems like soil erosion, where the soil gets washed away. Trees also help clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. So if we don't conserve our forests, we could lose clean air and healthy soil. Another reason conservation matters is that it helps prevent pollution. When we use too many non-renewable resources like oil and coal, it creates pollution in the air, water, and soil. This pollution can harm animals, plants, and even humans. By finding ways to use cleaner, renewable resources like solar energy and wind energy, we can reduce the amount of pollution we create. Conserving water is also very important. Water is something we all need every day, but did you know that not all places have enough clean water? In some parts of the world, people have to travel long distances just to get water. If we use water wastefully, we risk running out of this valuable resource. That's why it's important to turn off the tap when brushing your teeth or take shorter showers. Every little bit helps. Another way we can conserve is by recycling. When we recycle things like paper, plastic, and metal, we are using old materials to make new products instead of taking more resources from the earth. Recycling also helps reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, which can take up space and cause pollution. So, in summary, conserving natural resources is essential because it helps protect the environment, prevents pollution, and ensures that future generations will have access to the resources they need. It's all about using resources in a way that keeps our planet healthy and balanced for years to come. Now, here's something to think about. If we don't start conserving more resources now, how do you think life will be different in the future? What could happen to the plants, animals, and even humans if we run out of important resources?